Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to create a playlist on Spotify, and this is actually very easy. What you need to do at first is head over to Spotify just like so. From there, what you want to do is go to your library. Now at the top right you'll see this option called like plus button, so click on that plus. As you can see, there's two things, playlist and blend. So we want to click on playlist. Now you want to give the playlist, let's say vibey vibe, and then click on create. Now the playlist has been created, and the way you start adding songs is just clicking on add to this playlist. And as you can see, these are all the songs. Let's say you add this song, and let's say you want to search for this song, for a song, which you can easily do by searching for that and then just tapping on plus icon to add it. And then as you can see, this has been added, and if you want to add again, just click on add to playlist and repeat the process, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.